Hi, welcome to another in the series Talk Jamaican. As usual, I do my commentary in patois and then I say in English what I was talking about. So, hope you're following me, hope you're enjoying these, hope you are subscribing to the channel, sharing, and you have gotten your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com by now. Have a great day. Lord, what a way downtown Kingston get nice. Me say, me walk from East Street down go down a King Street there, all the way down Water Lane. Me say the Jamaican artists, them boy, them good, you see. Them good down there and them paint some pretty picture on the wall. Them put with sportsman like I used to in bowl. They put musician pan. And they look like them, you know. Lord master, if you ever them, if you ever Bob Marley, if you ever Toots, if you ever Jimmy Cliff, if you ever everybody, and then paint out how we Jamaican people look and how we act with music. Me say I love the one with the music, with the dance hall, woman them in them pretty clothes and all them same thing. Master, if you not feel good, go walk downtown because them all use some special pretty rock pan the tile pan the ground down there. Guess what? In a month you must go down there because they have whole heap of music and people come out with them nice food. You know, Jamaica food nice already. Everybody has sell food. No, in a happen now, you know, cause the whole virus, it's dirty virus, go mash up your life. But then so open up that man. Even if you don't get the food and the music, go look on it, it break it, make you feel good, make your heart lift up. In the previous section, I was marveling at the transformation of sections of downtown Kingston, where artists have gotten together and painted the most inspiring murals. They are absolutely beautiful. Each panel tells a story about Jamaican life, be it the music, the sports, or just the excitement, the beauty. I love the one with the music, with the dance hall scene, but you will have your own choice. The walkway is also paved with bricks. Beautiful, the whole place inspires you. And at the end of the month, they used to have music, and everybody would come and sell food. You know how Jamaican street food is so extraordinary. But unfortunately, the virus put a stop to that. But hopefully, it will begin soon. Anyway, just looking at the murals, the artistry is inspiration. Have a wonderful day. I'm going to look for Noel and
right back. What a